All right, let's talk about the truth about being a YouTuber. All right, that's on my mind right now. So I'm going to go for a walk and I'm going to talk about it. So I've been on YouTube for, you know what? I guess it's been about 6 years, right? 6 years, yeah. Believe it or not. But maybe like you didn't take it very seriously. You know, I posted a couple videos here and there. Didn't even really know what the heck I was doing. So, you know, they started off not getting a lot of views. But then I actually hit a hot topic, right? It was a trending topic. It was talking about a specific indicator for how to trade the market. And so I started posting videos about that indicator because, you know, I've been trading for 17 years. So that's my wheelhouse. This YouTube thing is definitely not. And so I posted the video and, man, it got a lot of views. Didn't even pay much attention to it. I didn't even know what monetization was, AdSense. So I was getting like 30, 40, 50,000 views. I'm serious, man. And didn't even do nothing with it. And then I just kind of stopped. Then COVID came, didn't do nothing. And now I'm back at it. You know, maybe you have done the same thing. Didn't really take it seriously. So now I'm coming back and, you know, I'm busting it. Posting videos, watching videos. And I like the small channels, right? I like these small channels who are having these outlier videos. I'd rather pay attention to a small channel instead of a big channel. Because the big channels, you know what? It doesn't even really matter. They post anything. And it gets like 100,000 views, right? And then, you know, me and you, we bust our butt. And we post a video and doesn't do nothing. So I was thinking about it, right? As I'm walking, getting some exercise. The truth about being a YouTuber. So, is being a YouTuber hard? You know, I got some mixed thoughts on this. You know, I was watching a video, I think it was 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝗂𝗿𝗀𝘀, and he said, is being a YouTuber hard? Or something like, is it hard to be a YouTuber? And he was like, no, it's not hard to be a YouTuber, right? It's only hard if you make it hard. Don't overthink it, right? So in reality, that's good advice. Is it hard to be a YouTuber? Well, I mean, is it hard to grab your camera like this and start talking? No. Now, you might be kind of shy, maybe not, you know, as good as communication, or I don't know, you just don't have any experience. So it's hard for you in that sense, but it's not hard, right? Like losing weight's hard. We know what to do. Just drink water, burn more calories than we take in. But again, what's easy to do is also easy not to do. So is it hard to be a YouTuber? I would have to agree and say no. If you're not afraid, you just flip up your camera and go at it. Don't overthink it. So when I came back, and now I've been kind of working as YouTube ever since I came back for a good solid 2 years. And I don't feel like I've even gained much progress in these 2 years. Pretty much at all. I was watching the wrong stuff. So I would have maybe thought differently. It was hard because I was overthinking it, right? I would spend hours and hours on these titles, you know, trying to even use ChatGPT and, you know, give me these viral clickbaity titles. Oh my God, it was a freaking nightmare. I hated it. And then these thumbnails. Oh man, I would try to put so much work, and I don't even know what the hell I'm doing on these thumbnails, and it was just awful. And then the keyword, the description. So I was making it hard. And now I'm seeing all these videos of people just talking, not even using thumbnails. So, I mean, they're doing well. So I don't think it's hard, right? As long as you can just talk, right? And don't overthink it, just post videos. I've been making several videos about, you know, why you need to keep posting. Why you need to keep posting like this, right? We're trying to find our community. If you don't post, how can you find your community? The people that actually love, or, maybe love to hear what you have to say. You're providing good value. They're getting something out of it. And so at the end of the day, you're getting something out of it. You're still watching this. And so that's what I'm doing as well. I post because I'm building a community. You need to post and keep posting to build your community. And you can't build your community if you don't know who your damn community is, right? You might think your community is one group, but it may not be. Right? And I believe that's also another reason why it's not hard. I mean, just start talking about shit, right? Keep talking, keep talking, keep talking, and guess what? Maybe you find something that people like. For example, I was, watching this video the other day. I think it was 𝗙𝗢𝗀𝗀𝗏, and she was talking about, you never know, right? One video could explode it for you. I actually did a video, I think it was yesterday, talking about that same thing, that one video is all it takes. Let me go up here, right? It's all it takes. So just keep posting videos, and by posting those videos, you're gonna find your community. Me too, right? That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. All right, managing criticism and negative feedback. So that's one of the truths about being a YouTuber, right? Managing the negative comments. Oh man. When I was I was doing reaction videos, right? Because I'm doing everything. Reaction videos, dude, people were so mean. Comments were just crazy. And you know what? That is the truth about being a YouTuber. Sometimes people make awful comments, right? They make awful comments. You just got to deal with it. I mean, again, it's hard. It is what it is, but damn, some of those comments are just bad. And the negative feedback, people telling you suck. What the fuck, dude? Vicious. So that is the truth. So you got to be able to navigate the comments, not let it bother you, and just go about your business. Find your community, because your true community, they're not gonna do no negative comments. It's gonna be positive, right? I mean, I love it, man. I mean, I don't even get a lot of comments, but for you that comment on my video, I really, really, really appreciate it. The negative comments, they bother me. They hurt like everything else. They're tough, all right? So also, I would say the truth about it is the grind of being consistent. That's difficult, right? I mean, that's difficult. I mean, you still got to pick up your phone and you still got to shoot. I mean, that's a grind. I'm grinding it every day. You're grinding it every day as well. Posting these videos. And then it's even worse when you post these videos and you get like 10 views or 20 views. Man, it is discouraging. That is the truth. And then you go watch one of those big YouTube channels videos because you think maybe they got to figure it out because they're big, but they don't. It was just timing. They started talking about a specific topic, before everybody else did, and they blew up. There's nothing that they say that you're not going to be able to learn from anybody else. And you get discouraged because you watch their video and you think to yourself, damn, that video sucked. How in the heck does it have 1 million views? And then you post a video, like me, that we believe is great, and it gets 20 views. So that is the truth. That's the reality. Right? Now, last thing I would just say is finding fulfillment beyond the views. And that's difficult, right? We get jacked up, right? You get jacked up when people watch your videos. But finding that fulfillment beyond the videos. Why are you doing what you're doing? Right? What's your purpose? We got to have something. We can't just shoot videos for the views. You can't just shoot videos for the views. You can't do that. It's not going to work. I know that's what I've been doing in jam. It just doesn't work out. We got to speak, right? I'm speaking to you. Okay? I'm speaking to you. We got to have a bigger reason for doing this. And that's just the way it is. So, those are some of the things I just want to talk about as far as the truth about being a YouTuber, like the real truth. And I've been in the game, like I said, a long time. And is it hard? I mean, I guess it is what it is, right? In reality, it's not hard if we do what we got to do. those things. Hopefully that finds you well. Hey, give me a thumbs up, make a nice comment. Obviously, it means a tremendous amount. And again, I'll support you as well, right? We got to stick together. As small channels, we got to do what we got to do to grow. Help each other out, find our community. Peace.